Welcome to Redline Review. Ford Camper Motorhomes have larger chassis. While frequently called a Mustang Motorhome, it's actually a Ford camper. The 2026 Ford Mustang Motorhome is supposed to be developed by Ford. Information on the 2026 Ford Camper Motorhome, including prices and options. A starting price of $65,000 USD, 59,150 euros or 50,700 pounds is predicted. Choose from several sizes and configurations, carrying up to 15 passengers across various wheelbases and roof heights. Drive and powertrain. Standard 3.5-liter V6 engine with 275 horsepower and 262 pound-feet of torque, combined with a 10-speed automatic transmission. The 3.5-liter EcoBoost turbocharged V6 produces 310 horsepower and 410 pound-feet. RWD and optional AWD are the drivetrain options. Features and facilities. Customized floor plans include a kitchen, bathroom, bunk beds, and seating. The Ford Copilot 360 suite includes adaptive cruise, lane keep assist, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera. The infotainment system includes a standard 4-inch screen and an optional 12.1-inch display with Sync 4 and Wi-Fi hotspot. Effectiveness and performance. It gets 10 to 14 miles per gallon combined. Assumed towing capacity of 7,500 pounds with proper gear. Some pros and cons. Benefits. Built on a reliable Ford chassis, all-wheel drive and engine options provide versatility. Excellent safety credentials, including Copilot 360 use. Huge dealer support for parts and service. Cons. Functionality above luxury, lacks nice finishing compared to comparable RV models. Interiors may feel bland and mass-produced. The resale value may be lower than premium RV brands. Despite not being an official Ford Mustang conversion, the 2026 Ford Camper Motorhome is a reliable and practical mid-range recreational vehicle built on Ford mechanics. Despite being well-equipped for family holidays, rougher terrain with all-wheel drive, and mainstream comfort, it cannot compete with sophisticated luxury recreational vehicles. One word on Mustang Motorhome. A miscommunication: why Ford does not make a Mustang Motorhome. Most mentions are speculation, mislabeling, or speculative marketing.